Hey guys, welcome to this trading video. It's Shane here from Awake FX. I'm delighted to have you here. Now I know it's a while since I did a trading video for you guys. So I had a good think about this, and I know obviously on this channel, I've been sharing with you a lot of technical analysis, a lot of live trading that I do myself, ICT concepts and all of that, because I'm a full-time trader. I'm based in Ireland. I'm doing this over 15 years. So I thought about, okay, what kind of value can I add to you guys? Because I do believe that a lot of people are hunting on YouTube trading strategies, how to get into trades, how to get out of trades, as if that is the golden key or the golden ticket or the holy grail, so to speak. So I wanted to do a series on trading psychology, because trading psychology is very important in trading, and it can be the key difference between a trader who's maybe break even and then starts making profits. Okay, now in this one we're going to speak about overtrading, and I believe that overtrading is one of the key reasons why a lot of traders lose their accounts and lose money overall. Okay, now I know that trading psychology and this topic is not the most exciting, but I do promise you that if you do hear me out over this series of psychology lessons that I will do for you, they can be very, very helpful and get you in the right mindset for trading success. Okay, now for those of you who stay to the end of this video and have the patience to stay to the end of this video, and I know it's very difficult with how fast things are moving and people's attention spans are so poor these days, but if you can stay to the end of this video, I do have a gift for you that will help you with your trading. So make sure to stay to the end of the video and I will share that with you. Okay, now overtrading, what is it? Overtrading is when a trader trades quite often. Very simple, just like it says on the tin. You're trading quite often. You're trading a lot. Okay, high frequency. Maybe you're a day trader, but maybe you take 3, 4, 5, 10 trades a day or something like this. And as a result of the volume of trades that you're trading, you're not really getting many A+ setups, and as a result, many people who overtrade end up either break even or losing money. Okay, and a lot of people are losing money, and over 90% of traders usually lose money anyway. So what causes overtrading? Why do people overtrade? Now, I was guilty of this when I started out trading. Really at the beginning, when you're learning how to trade, you're going to trade more. You're simply going to trade more because you're learning how to trade. So if I want to learn how to trade, I actually have to trade in order to learn if I'm doing it right, if I'm doing it wrong. And that's correct. Really at the beginning, when you start learning how to trade, you will trade more. Get your toes wet, so to speak. Take trades, lose trades, win trades. But eventually what I found is after spending years learning how to trade. I've been doing this about 15 years now. It took me about 8 years before I was profitable. Tried literally every strategy under the book, day trading, swing trading, the whole lot. And it all came back to your trading process, your trading strategy. And instead of being an overtrading, I turned the opposite. So I'm the opposite of a person who overtrades. I'm a under trader, so to speak. Okay, and we'll talk about that in a little bit more detail. So why do people overtrade? Firstly, well, first of all, it can be because of greed. Okay, it's an emotional thing. People are greedy. If you have a winning trade and it's the first trade of the day, immediately there can be an emotional response that you want to take another trade because you had a winning trade. Oh, I made money, I want to make more money. And you'll set off this process of wanting to trade more when there's not necessarily your strategy on the chart. Okay, so greed can cause overtrading. What else can cause overtrading? Fear. Okay, let's say you take a trade and your first trade is a loss and you're very disappointed that you had a losing trade. So you'll take another trade to try and recoup that loss, and you might have another losing trade. So you have 2 losers in a row. Okay, and this can set up a very bad psychological cycle that you're so frustrated now that you had 2 losers that, wow, I really want to get the money back, so I'll take another trade. So you're searching for trades not because of the strategy that you have, because of the previous 2 trades have been losers, and that is causing you to not be able to control your behavior and have the desire to be patient, and instead you will overtrade. Okay, so people overtrade because of greed, they overtrade because of fear. Traders also overtrade because of excitement. They're so excited about trading and being in a trade that they're compelled to take trades even when their strategy doesn't tell them to do so. Okay, their trading strategy is not there. So they're taking a trade for excitement, in order to feel good, in order to feel that emotional roller coaster when you're in a trade, when it moves in your direction, you're high, when it moves against you, you're low. They want to feel that intense cycle of emotion within themselves. And it can be bordering on gambling. Some people who have gambling addictions have that desire to be in trades all the time. It's an excitement type of thing. So be very, very careful if that's you and if you have these kinds of behaviors. Now, everything can be corrected, okay? There are ways out of this, okay? And I do believe that if you want to reduce this problem of overtrading, there are steps that you can follow. Okay, so I've written out a few notes here, ladies and gentlemen, just to so I don't forget what I need to tell you. Okay, so I have a private group of students that I work with very closely because I've developed about 40 lessons, and we do live streaming every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, where they see over my shoulder how I hunt for trades, how I do my market mapping, etc., etc. And what you will learn is that if you want to reduce overtrading, you need to put something in place that will prevent that from taking place or happening, okay? So really, number one, you need a trading process. What is your trading process each and every day? Now, some people confuse the word process with what's your trading strategy. I don't mean your trading strategy, I mean your trading process. What time are you at your desk? What markets do you trade? What is your market mapping process? So I have a very specific way to map the markets each and every day that's consistent. Okay, I don't change it each day. I look at the weekly, I look at the daily, I look at the 15-minute chart, and I map the market following a very set process each day. And that sets off a very good behavior within myself because I'm following a process, I'm not following my emotions. Number two is you need to have a written down trading strategy that you're following with clear set rules. Okay, that you literally have to tick the box before you take a trade. If you don't have a clear written down trading strategy, then you don't know what you're looking for. And you need to know exactly what you are looking for on the chart each day. So there's no way you can overtrade if you know exactly what you're looking for, which is part of your strategy. Okay, it's difficult. You can't overtrade because you need to follow your strategy. And your strategy can have a number of factors that need to be ticked before you enter that particular trade. Okay, so you need a trading process. You need a set trading strategy, and you need to have your trading strategy written out. For example, I have it laminated onto my desk, my process, exactly how I take my trades, what my trading strategy is, my trading strategy checklist on my desk, okay? And you need to have that too. So if you do have a trading strategy, write it down, okay? So when you approach the markets each and every day, you know exactly what you're looking for, and that will prevent you from overtrading because you're just hunting that specific setup. And then another set of rules that I would introduce to help you stop overtrading are the following. Okay, number one is 2 trades maximum per day. 2 trades maximum per day. If your first trade is a winner, you're done for the day. If your first trade is a winner, you are done for the day. You close your laptop or close your computer, come back tomorrow. If your first trade is a loser, you may take one more trade. Okay? Whether the second trade is a winner or a loser, you don't take any more than 2 trades for the day, and that's it. So if you follow these rules, 2 trades max a day. If the first trade's a winner, you're done for the day. You have your market mapping process, or you have a process to follow each day in mapping the markets. And number 2, you have your strategy written down, you're hunting for each and every day. Then you're going to reduce the possibility of overtrading. And just by doing that alone could have huge benefits to your trading. And trust me on that, you know. Now, last week, we had a profitable February, okay? And now we're into March. Today's the 11th of March, okay? Last week was our first real week of March, and I was hunting my 3 specific setups, each European Open and each US Open last week. And last week I had 0 trades. I did not find a trade that ticked all the boxes of my strategy. We were very close to 1 or 2 entries, but we didn't quite get our entry into them trades, unfortunately. And you can't feel bad because you didn't take a trade. I feel good because I'm following my trading process, I'm following my trading strategy, and I'm being very specific around my entries. So if I'm looking for A+ setups and there's no A+ setup, I'm not taking a trade. And you should be like that too. So many traders out there may have lost money last week. I didn't lose money, didn't make money, but I'm looking forward to this week and finding my trading strategies and finding my entries if they appear in the market. So I just wanted to share this, I suppose, insight or lesson with you about overtrading and how you can reduce it. So number 1, have a trading process that you follow each and every day. Have your strategy written down, exactly what you're hunting for each and every day. And then thirdly, use that new rule that I mentioned, 2 trades max per day. If the first trade is a winner, you're done. You've done your job. You're profitable. Come back tomorrow. And if the first trade is a loser, you can take 1 more trade if you wish, but you do not take more than 2 trades in 1 trading day. And that's going to get rid of the overtrading. It'll be a problem of the past, and you can see your trading results definitely improve. So try it for a month, try it for 2 months, comment down below, let me know how you get on, because I'm really curious to see if this is helpful for you. So it's not just about learning trading strategies on this channel. If you introduce this reduction in overtrading and you get to a point where you're trading less, and you start seeing results, positive results from that, this is a psychology behavior that you're changing, and it can make all the difference to your performance overall. So now we've come to the end of the video. Thanks very much if you've made it this far. If you've made it this far, obviously you're someone who's serious about trading, who understands the importance of psychology, importance of learning new ideas, concepts, ways to think in your trading. So I want to offer that gift to you, as I mentioned before. So I have a paid group that are part of my Market Mastery program. Every Monday, I send out this weekly market analysis video into the inbox of my students. And I want to share that with you. All you need to do is pop in your email address and name, and I can send it on to you every Monday as well. So let me just show you how to do that right now. So all you need to do, guys, is just go to my website. My website is www.awakefxmentorship.com. So go to that website, and it's just here at the top. See, free market analysis video, especially for anyone that wants it there, guys. And you just click yes, send it to me. You pop in your name and email address, and every Monday you will get that same video I send on to my paid members. Gives you a heads up, gives you a bit of interesting levels, and lets you know what we're looking at for the week ahead. So look, thanks very much for watching the video. Please comment down below any other topics of psychology you might be interested in, and we'll try to get them covered as well. And it's great to see you all again. Happy trading. I wish you success. Bye-bye.